Hi everybody, I'm your Prasad. Today I'm going to show you Dell latest 360 degrees laptop. This machine I'm going to use it for my YouTube video editing, screen recording, programming and for online classes purpose. This box is eco-friendly box. Show me this. Here a Dell logo is given and some barcode is given. Here laptop icon is given and this side a Dell logo and a battery icon is given. Do not show to the near to fire, a model is given, and here some barcodes like order number and processor i7, and the model is Inspiron Dell 7420 and 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD hard disk, very fast hard disk is there, and some other barcodes are given here. Yes, this is the latest laptop. It's also called as Yoga laptop, 360 degrees, 2-in-1 laptop. And here mainly the manufacture date. This is not visible clearly. May 2022, 5th month. This is 8th month. 3 months back product is this. And the price is at the time of launch 1,21,016 rupees at the time of manufacture. Right, this is eco-friendly box. And I'm going to do unbox of this. And what are the other things? Right, here some specifications are given. Right, inside also I will tell you clearly. And those are i7 processor, latest processor, 12th generation, and 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD hard disk, and 4 GB graphics card, and 14 inches full touchscreen display, 250 NIT. Dell Active Pen is given extra. This is silver color, 1.57 kg weight, and i7 processor, latest 2-in-1 laptop. Why it is 2-in-1 I will tell you inside the box when I open the machine. Right, this is 7420 Dell Inspiron model. Inspiron, excellent, best. Inspiron means. So inside the box these are eco-friendly. Some charging cable he has given. This we need to connect, and some silicon balls not to get smell inside the box. And this is a C-type charger, 60 watts C-type charger, very fast charging. Within 1 hour 80 to 85% we can charge the machine laptop. And here a indicator is given. When you power on that you will get the indicator on. Right, we need to connect this to that power cable. And mainly special thing, this is Active Pen. Dell Active Pen is given. The model number is PN5122W. This is a model number. And here inside the box we have stylus, Active Dell Pen, and one more cover is there. We need to remove that cover. And then inside the box we will get other accessories like user manual guide. We need to study this later. This is very useful one, so we'll keep those aside and we'll see what are the other things are there inside. And we have a battery that we need to nothing is there inside the box. We need to connect the battery to the Dell Active Pen stylus. So the back side we need to open. For this model we have to open from the back side, and we need to keep battery such a way that plus should be inside and flat should be outside, minus, and we need to close it. And other things he has given inside the box, those are 2 buttons he has given for the pen, one for erasing and one for the activation. When you connect with Bluetooth that will be given. And some extra leads he has given if the to changing that, 2-3 leads he has given. And a user manual for the laptop, and we can read it later. This is very useful manuals. And inside main product is there, Dell 2-in-1 Inspiron 7420 laptop. Very nice look, premium look, very strong. Dell logo is given front side, and back side of it Inspiron logo is given, and two rubber strips, small rubber strips for getting grip, and a long rubber strip is given for the surface grip when you keep on the desk, and two exhaust fans are given, and two speakers, 5-watt speakers. Those are two small 5-watt speakers, but will get heavy. And one more exhaust fans are given, very stylish in look, two this side and two this side. 4 exhaust fans are given, right? When you open, how it looks, and the left side of this we have HDMI port is given, and two C-type ports are given. One is for charging and one is for data transfer, and we can do other things, or we can connect to other machine also. And a power indicator is also given, battery indicator, and here 3.5 mm jack, audio jack is given, and one pen drive port is given, one SD memory card slot is also given, right? All slots he has covered. And inside, when you open it, a backlight keyboard is there, night time also you can work, and one fingerprint is given, fingerprint for more security. Main thing I like is shutter, webcam shutter is given. When you don't want it, you can close it. Mostly I will close it. Okay, right side you can close it, and left side you can open it. And this is touch screen, and Intel i7 processor, backlight is given. You can see, you can work in dark also. And this touchpad is also very big, 14% extra to easily access. We can put password also. If necessary, only keep fingerprint security, just like mobile screens. And active S Pen is very fast reaction. Touch screen is very fast. This is Dell latest 360 degrees, and Intel i7 NVIDIA graphics card, 2 GB graphics card is there. And I have written some specifications, like I will tell you in detail. See, we can use it in 5 modes. This is 2-in-1 laptop. We can use it in laptop mode as well as a tablet mode. That's why it is called 2-in-1. We use in 5 modes. First mode is laptop mode. This one, like laptop, we can use it. Software professionals, if they get back pain, mostly all software professionals will get back pain, so they can use it flat mode, and they can stand and they can work easily. And while watching on Saturday, Sundays at entertainment, you can watch movies like this. This is third mode of the laptop. And on the bed, you can use this angle mode for watching movies and drawing and all. You can use it like laptop purpose also. 1.57, 1.5 kg weight. Mostly we cannot carry long time, but we can keep on the desk also. Laptop tablet mode also. And here the specifications are this Dell Inspiron model 7420 2-in-1 laptop. 2-in-1 because it will use as laptop mode as well as tablet mode. Inspiron means impressive, excellent. This is 360 degrees. We can rotate. i7 logo is also given. Yoga laptop, it is also called as yoga laptop because 360 degrees we can convert. And processor is Intel i7 latest processor. All latest configuration he has given. You can see on the hardware configuration. And 12th generation U means ultra power saver. And we have RAM, that is of 16 GB gigabyte DDR double data rate 4th generation, that one. And 512 GB SSD, gigabyte 512. SSD means a solid state driver. solid state drive. It is very fast, and operating system is Windows 11. You can keep Windows 11 operating system and MS Office backup also. MS Office he has given latest 2021 MS Office latest. We can keep backup in our pen drive. And graphics card he has given NVDIA. You can see the batch also. Logo 2 GB GDDR6 graphics double data rate 6th generation, that is graphics card version, and screen size is 14 inch, means 35.56 centimeters, full HD touchscreen 250 nits, and only webcam is there, that's why a black color strip is left, remaining all 16:10 ratio screen is there, full screen has covered. And extra accessories he has given Dell Active Pen for speed touchscreen, and we can draw also. I will show you the active stylus pen usage. We can draw so many things, scribbling, online classes, it will be used a lot. The actual price when it is launched is 1,21,000 change, and it can vary. 98,500 also there. Sometimes when you get offer you will get 95,000. In between 95,000 to 98,000 it will vary. I will provide in my description box the Dell official website as well as Amazon websites also where to purchase in my description. This way you can use the stylus active Dell pen. You can erase with that button. One more button also there. This is Dell Active Pen, and fingerprint also given for more security, and laptop color is silver. Here hinge he has given 2 hinge, very strong, like you can rotate it many times, they have tested it, and 2 rubber strips also given, you can rotate like 360 degrees. And 2 speakers here, outlets, air outlet is given. We will see other things how it works, like touchscreen is very fast, the screen resolution also so nice. I will show you. Now we can see the video resolution at the same time, audio clarity also. I will show other video, high resolution videos. High resolution videos. You can see here. Now we can see the audio and video clarity. We can increase the sound also. Some advertisement is coming. This is the audio clarity. Audio clarity is very huge. And here audio clarity. Yes. Video clarity for movie watchers and for eyes. See when you change, see backside keyboard light is also there, backside, and if you change the mode into sleeping mode, any other 4 modes, the keyboard won't work. If you change this way, the keyboard won't work. The keyboard won't work. When you change it into laptop mode to any other mode, keyboard won't work. For security purpose you have given like that. So like this, the keyboard. Yes, now can you watch audio talk. Now you can watch the screen resolution. I will put into pass. The resolution is very high. And one more thing, you can in laptop mode also you can type, and in angle mode also. The keyboard is not working. Keyboard is not working. In tab mode also. Yeah. In tab mode also the keyboard won't work because we will support like this. No, he has given like that. Very nice. and in keyboard backlight is also there. In night time also you can work. Yes, so you can write anything on this, right? So it is very user friendly. In this up to date, this is the latest laptop, right? Okay, thank you for watching this.